Okay, check this out. A scientist in Georgia has lit up the record books by measuring the biggest lightning strike in recorded history.
Yeah, so this has been dubbed a mega flash. It stretched over 500 miles from Texas to Missouri.
Whoa.
So the lightning flash actually happened during a 2017 storm, but was only spotted recently thanks to new satellite technology.
So we're excited to see what kinds of lightning come out of this new work, and especially as technology improves and we are able to get satellites in other parts of the world, then we'll be able to expand towards the eventual mission of providing global coverage of lightning.
Look at that.
Yeah, unlike ground sensors, satellites sit above 22,000. They sit 22,000 miles above the Earth, and they move along with the planet's rotation, so they can keep a constant eye on huge areas, and they can catch lightning whenever and wherever it strikes.